Morning guys, I'm working in here today, just a normal day, just got a few bits and pieces to sort out. Got the weasels in here as well. So those of you that have been following the channel for a little while now know I have a business called Cloudstow, and we have a website called cloudstow.com which sells a lot of the products that we talk about in the videos and everything else. So if you're interested, head on over there, because we've just recently added a lot of the new products that I've been talking about, so like the solar panels and the inverter, not the battery yet because I'm not sure what's going to happen with that. That's just obviously, that was one of my test kind of examples, but I don't know, I'm looking into doing something with that, maybe like offering like a small power solution for you know, for like off-grid situations like this shed, and you know, there's lots of people want to do things like that. So here's the front page of the website, guys. You'll see a lot of mini PCs on here because that's our core business. I've put on the e-bike stuff, so we've got Andy Kirby e-bike up here. Had to be called that, didn't it? So there's a nice little video up the top of me on the bike, and you've got all the parts below. There are more parts, obviously, but I can get those. If you need anything, just give me a shout. But the main core ones are on here, like the motor, the suspension, wheels and speed controllers, things like that. And if you head on over here, Cloudstow Energy, this is a new section. It's kind of work in progress, but we've got yeah, like the inverter, the solar panel, the Victron stuff. I can get all the Victron stuff now, guys. So if you're in the UK, it ships from the UK. It comes quickly, very quickly. So if you want anything, just let me know. I can do that. Yeah, solar panels and inverters. There's some more stuff to go on. There's some more Victron things to go on here as well. This inverter's going to be on there. That switch will be on there as well, and some other bits. Now I always link the shop, the web store, in the description of the video, so anyone that kind of checks that out will see that, if you're interested in the stuff that's in the videos, things like that. But I don't usually harp on about it in the videos because, you know, you don't want me to sound like a salesman. So yeah, guys, if you're interested in anything, if you've got any technical questions, just give us a shout. Email's in the description as well, and yeah, I'll be happy to help. Right guys, I wasn't going to film this, but here goes. Seems to be working pretty well, guys. I think it's dried out. I hope you enjoyed that little rip, guys. Anyway, it seems to be better now. There seems to be no throttling back on the controller, so I think whatever happened with the water was obviously, you know, affecting something, and it's dried out. I just stuck a fan heater, my fan heater blasting on the bike. But yeah, I just felt like a little blast. This is what happens when the sort of warmer weather comes, even though it's like 4 degrees out. It's actually properly freezing. But you know, as spring and summer starts to come, it's just a good excuse to just get on the bike. I was just getting fed up sitting around here trying to figure out this. I've got a problem with Linux not running properly on one of the latest mini PCs. So yeah, just been working on that this morning. I'll tell you what, I wasn't cold. I really wasn't cold. This gear is awesome. These are like Alpine Stars. I don't know exactly what they're called, but they go with the jacket that I've got. I don't know, but basically like Alpine Stars motorcycle bottoms. They are so warm. Trusty gloves as well. These are heated ones, so they've just got little lithium packs in there, and you just charge them up. They keep your hands super toasty. Sure does need a clean though. It's filthy under there. I've given it a bit of a dust down. I've got rid of most of the mud on it, so might just give it a little wipe now. I'm definitely not going to just be jet spraying this anymore, not with that speed controller on the outside. I can do the fronts, and the front and the back's alright. The motor seems to have held up really well actually, considering you know, I went through all that water. So I don't know if it must be sealed in some kind of way, but I'm not gonna keep doing that because it's gonna cause problems. But I haven't showed you these windows yet. Well, it's a bit later now, guys. I'm just gonna I just need to nip to the shop to go and get some treats. It's Friday night, just feeling bad, feeling like some bit of something sweet. I can see the road twinkling. It's a little bit icy. Got to be a bit careful. You always get this with cars just come up behind you. I don't know whether they're just like checking the car out or trying to egg you on. What I usually do is just wait till you get to like a roundabout or a junction or something, and then just disappear. Woohoo! Like that. Yeah guys, so these new Tri-Rain windows from a seller in Italy, I can't remember who exactly it is, but he sells them on eBay anyway. They're really good actually. They're quite a lot more sealed than the other windows, and they keep it just that little bit, they keep the air out just that little bit more. Also you've got these little catches here. I'll tell you what guys, I'll do a proper review on them when it's actually in the daylight, but yeah, I'm liking them so far. Right, I'm back. The only thing you have to do is push that out. Remember to do that, otherwise this thing just straight across there. And you've got to remember to do that back up as well.